Yes, good morning, dear students. Today, once again, we are going to start the phonetics portion, that is sounds, and I think that it will be the last lecture upon the sounds because we have already completed. I have uploaded so many lectures upon the sounds, and I told you that it is now known to you that there are 44 sounds. I have told you that they are divided into two types, that is vowels and consonants. I told you that vowels are 20 and consonants are 24. We have already discussed this. We have already discussed the consonants. I have uploaded so many lectures upon the consonants. You can watch them yourself. And I have already told you what is the difference between consonants and vowels. There we have already discussed about the vowels. I told you that vowels are of two types. That is pure vowels, and their other name I told you is monophthongs. Another I told you that diphthongs. That is, we have completed the pure vowels. I told you that pure vowels are 12, which we have already discussed. And now today's our topic is about the diphthongs, which are 8 in number. I hope that you will first of all watch those videos which we have already discussed, as we have already discussed. For example, 1 second. We have already discussed yes, as I told you that we have already discussed about consonants. I have told you that consonants are then divided into, we have discussed this. Consonants, I told you that they are also divided into two types, that is voiceless and voiced. I told you that voiceless are 9 in number and voiced are 15 in number. We have already discussed about them. I have already told you that they are consonants. They are divided into two types, main two types, that is according to manner of articulation and place of articulation. According to manner of articulation, I told you that they are, number one, for example, bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, palato-alveolar, palatal, velar, glottal. We have already discussed them, and I have already discussed according to this classification is according to this. This is according to place of articulation, that is bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, palato-alveolar, palatal, velar, glottal. We have also discussed according to manner of articulation. I told you that they are plosives, fricatives, affricate, nasal, lateral, approximate. We have already discussed them. I have not to discuss here that. I told you that plosives are 6 in number. Affricates are, plosives are 6, affricates are 2, nasal are 3, fricatives are 9. You have to remember them. Fricatives are 9 and approximate are 3. Lateral is only 1. And also bilabial, you have to remember that bilabial are 4. Labiodental, they are 2. Dentals, they are 2. Alveolus, they are 6, and post alveolar, that is 1. These are, we have already discussed about them. Yes, we have not to study here this because our topic is about the diphthongs, but I have recapitulated for you. 1 second, we will start our topic, today's topic, that is diphthongs. Yes, I always once again say you that please don't look towards the slide. This slide is not good in quality, not in quality it is good, but in, I can say that it is not visible to you. Whatever I will write, you will see that it will be helpful for you to some extent, because there I have written in Urdu and you may remember accordingly. Yes, as I told you that diphthongs, that is, I have told you that our discussion today is vowels are of two types, that is pure vowels and diphthongs. We have completed the pure vowels. Now our topic is diphthongs. I told you that it is not known to you that diphthongs are 8 in number, which we have to discuss today. That is, you have to remember these diphthongs, they are also called gliding vowels. Diphthongs, I already told you that dip means two and thong means sound. It is combination of two sounds. For example, you can see like this. Like this. That is combination of and O, but you have not to say it like this. O, ow. No. That will be incorrect. It is on this speaking pronunciation, but it is combination of two. For example, this is combination of two. I will speak them then. This is combination of two. This is combination of two. This is combination of two. And this is combination of two. And this is combination of two. So they are called diphthongs. As I already told you that they are called also gliding vowels. Why? Because when we speak them, we will not produce their sound separately. We glide from there to there, from there to there. We make the glide. So, for example, this, it is O. I have it in here in Urdu. O. Like O. But O. Not O. For example, oat. Joke. Slow. I always say to you that whenever you will produce the sound, you have to see that how we produce the sounds. Then you have to use these samples. For example, joke. Joke. Once again, I say that they can be in the beginning, they can be in the middle, or they can be at the end. For example, this is O. This is O. This O. And this is ow. This is ow. O-W, ow. Or in Urdu as we write, ow. For example, out. Shout. Out. How. Ow. This one. This is A. As we write the alphabet A, like that, or like the Urdu A. This is A. For example, eight. For example, straight. Site. S-T-R-Y. This one, it is I. As we make the pronunciation of I, or I. As we make the pronunciation of I, or I. It has the same pronunciation, that is pronunciation that of I, or that is I, I. For example, ice. For example, mice. For example, my. Ice, ice. More ice, mice. I. Here written in Urdu, and this one I have not written here. This is oi. For example, oi are in Urdu. Oi. For example, oil. Boil, boil. Boy. And this one, it is ear. It has the same pronunciation that of ear. Here written in Urdu, and it has the same pronunciation as that of the ear. For example, ears. Beard, beard. Here. And this one, we have completed this one. This one, it is ayatel. Yes. That is ayah, you can see in Urdu. For example, ayahs, shears. It is ayatel. And this one, this is in Urdu. Or it is mostly used for double U. Or for example, kiwa, I hope that you have got this, and I will repeat once again so that you will be able to memorize them, because they are to some extent difficult than consonants or vowels. But one thing is that you have to repeat them with the help of practice, because it is not that practice makes a man perfect. Language, it is actually caught but not taught. And I always say to you that listen the news on the TV, on the radio, or you can also watch the movies, which will be better. Only those movies should be watched which will be helpful for you, while there is good mall. That is, I will repeat once again for you. This is like this. I already told you that you have not to speak them individually. This om. Misal ke liye jog, slow. And this one like this. This is ow. For example, out, shout, how. Yes, this one, it is egg. As I told you, egg. It has the same pronunciation that of the alphabet A. And this one, this is I. As I told you that it has the same pronunciation that of the I. For example, ice, mice, my. And this one, it is oi. Yes, you have to make the lips round. Oil, boil. And this one, this is ear. It has the pronunciation same that of the ear. For example, ears, nears. And this one, it is ayah. Yes, like the ayatel. And this one, This is UA. UA. I always say that you have to keep them with the slant lines. Once again I say you that this is helpful for you in the examination, because I have stressed here to show you with the help of the symbols. I hope that you have understood. This is very short because they are only 8. There are some also triphthongs, but they are not in your syllabus and you have not to discuss about them. And also I once again say you that you can listen the pronunciation of words from your mobile or from your desktop or from your PC or laptop. There is written the pronunciation and they speak, and you have to memorize the speak, that is this phonetic transcription of the words as you memorize the words. I hope that you will do. This is session today. Okay, bye. But once again, one second. We have completed, but once again I say please send the feedback. I am thankful of those who have sent me feedback. Mostly my colleagues, they are guiding me, they are sending me the feedback. I have no words to thank them, because a friend is that person who will say me that wherever I have faults. For example, if there may be something upon my face or upon somewhere else, and if my friends will watch that and they will not say me, that is not good, because others will say that, see that, and a friend says that there is something upon your face and I may love that. In the same way, please, I hope that the students as well as my colleagues will send me the feedback and they will suggest me wherever I may be correct, because it is known to you that I am also like you. I am not perfect. I always says, still I am myself learning. It is on the demand of the students that I have started the online classes. Otherwise, I am myself learning, and I hope that my friends will send me feedback and they will guide me. Thanks. But once again, I hope that you will subscribe the channel. Now we have so many subscribers, but still we need, because it should reach to everybody, and I hope that you will subscribe and you will make the comments. That is, you will send the feedback. Okay, thanks. I hope that you will do this.